Where do you turn when you have a home project and you want to do it yourself? Consider the versatile and exciting Dremel US20V cordless compact multi-saw. The compact yet powerful US20V is the first cordless multi-saw in the Dremel lineup, with extraordinary versatility that lets you cut and grind almost anything, and consistent battery power that will impress even the most demanding users. The US20V makes cutting challenges easy with the ability to flush cut. And with the included straight edge guide, you can make straight cuts every time. Compared to typical tooth blades, Dremel's premium abrasive technology minimizes rough, jagged cuts, leaving cleaner straight edges. Cross-cut lumber with a powerful 20-volt motor. Even hardwood cuts with ease. Plunge cut with the innovative 3/4-inch adjustable depth guide to make the desired cutout. Cut PVC with ease due to our abrasive edge technology. You can even cut metal easily and quickly. The lightweight cordless design makes vertical cut work a breeze. Cut tile at any angle and keep the dust down with the vacuum attachment. Even masonry pavers are no match for the Dremel US20V. And the unique grinding feature lets you grind or surface prep with a second wheel position. The US20V's extensive accessory lineup has a solution for every cut, bringing versatility to the palm of your hand. Quickly and easily rip cut, cross cut, plunge cut, PVC cut, metal cut, tile cut, brick cut, and grind, leaving a clean finished cut all with one tool. So take your projects to the next level and cut like a pro with a new US20V. Dremel, a trusted name in DIY since 1932.